When I want to escape the noise and chaos of everyday life, I find solace in listening to music through my high-quality headphones. This creates a private oasis where the notes, melodies, and harmonies are amplified, allowing me to fully immerse myself in the music. Now, recently, while enjoying some orchestral arrangements, I became riveted by the intricacies of the surround sound and how it made all the different instruments feel like they were all around me. As I was engrossed in the symphony, it led me to contemplate God's presence. Just like the sound felt like it surrounded me, God surrounds us with His boundless grace and limitless guidance. His presence flows through every part of our lives, offering peace and joy in every circumstance.